think I'm going to make a little bit of a short wheelbase because the nose and tail are not very long. I'm thinking a shorter wheelbase will require less strength in the middle of the board, but it also might require more strength on the nose and tail. However, this board does have a short nose and tail. Did you see where I put my rulers? This one is I'll get that. It's mahogany eucalyptus and Mindy wood. Ultra thin 0.5 millimeter veneers, 23 layers of them. Unprecedented pioneering event in the world of skateboard making. No, I'm sure it's not. I'm sure Professor Schmidt has tried this exact combination.
That's what we're watching. Okay, I'll skateboard that. I will be out of this soon.
Maybe I should hurry up in case it starts to rain. Right?
Alright, so I'm holes. So.